Hello, this is Chu, and this is my Unit 5 mid-unit assignment. For the very first question, we need to determine an equation for the family of quadratic functions with zeros at minus 5 going 2, minus 1, 7 going 7/2, and 3. We can write the equation f of x equal to a into x plus 5/2 into x plus 1 into x minus 7/2 into x minus 3. Then it asks us to write equations for two functions that belong to this family. So if a is equal to 2, then f of x would be 2 into x plus 5/2, x plus 1, x minus 7/2 into x minus 3. And if a is equal to 3, then the equation would be f of x is equal to 3 into x plus 5/2 into x plus 1 into x minus 7/2 into x minus 3. So we got the two equations that belong to the family. Now let's move on to number B. Determine an equation for the member of the family whose graph passes through the points minus 2, 25. That means f of minus 2 equals 25, and we need to substitute the x point, which is minus 2, and y point, which is 25, in the equation. So we can say that a into minus 2 plus 5/2 into minus 2 plus 1 into minus 2 minus 7/2 into minus 2 minus 3 is equal to 25. And then we will calculate this. So we will get minus 55 by 4, a might equal to 25, and if we send this to the other side, we will get the answer of minus 20 by 11. And so the equation would be f of x is equal to minus 20 by 11 into x plus 5/2 into x plus 1 into x minus 7/2 into x minus 3. For number C, sketch a graph for the function in part A and B. So we need to draw graphs for part A and part B both. Firstly, we will start with part A, and the equation for part A is f of x is equal to 2 into x plus 5/2 into x plus 1 into x minus 7/2 into x minus 3. So the degree for this equation is 4, and the leading coefficient is 2, and the zeros are at x is equal to minus 5/2, minus 1, 7/2, and 3, and y-intercepts would be x equal to 0. So if we substitute 0 in the place of x, f of 0 would be 2 into 0 plus 5/2 into 0 plus 1 into 0 minus 7/2 into 0 minus 3. And then if we further solve this, we will get 52.5. Now we are going to sketch that graph using the given informations. Yes. So here in this this is the graph that I drew for this equation, and here we have like zeros at y equal to zeros at minus 5/2, minus 1, 7/2, and 3. And this is the graph for f of x is equal to 2 into x plus 5/2 into x plus 1 into x plus 7/2 into x minus 3. And so for the part B, the equation is f of x is equal to minus 20 by 11 into x plus 5/2 into x plus 1 into x minus 7/2 into x minus 3. So the degree is 4, and the leading coefficient would be minus 20 by 11, and the zeros are at x is equal to minus 5/2, minus 1, 7/2, and 3. And the y-intercept is x equal to 0. So if y x equal to 0, then we will get the y of minus 47.72. And this is the graph that I scratched for this given this equation for part B. And we have zeros at minus 5/2, minus 1, 7/2, and 3. And yes, this is the graph for my f of x is equal to minus 20/11, x plus 5/2, x plus 1, x minus 7/2, and into x minus 3. That's it for number 1. And we are moving on to number 2. The distance d in kilometers traveled by a plane after t hours can be represented by this equation, which is d of t is equal to minus 4t cubed plus 40t squared plus 500t, and t is greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to 10. So the question is, how long does the plane take to fly 4,088 kilometers? Firstly, if we substitute 7 in the place of t, we will get the 4,088 kilometers. So we can say that the 7, which is t minus 7, is the factor of this equation. And if we equals 4,088 to the equation, minus 4t cubed plus 40t squared plus 500t, if we move all of them into one side and leave to the left side and leave the right side as 0, we will get the equation 4t cubed minus 40t squared minus 500t plus 4,088 equals 0. And if we divide both of the equations by 4, we will get the following equation: t cubed minus 10t squared minus 125t plus 1022 equals 0. And since t minus 7 is a factor, we can get the other factors of the equation by long division. We will divide t cubed minus 10t squared minus 125t plus 1022 by t minus 7, and then if we calculate it by long division, we will get the other factor of t squared minus 3t minus 146. Now for the factor t squared minus 3t minus 146, we need to use the equation t is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac by 2a in order to get the values of t. So we're going to do that, and now we're going to substitute the values of b, a, and c. Here b is minus 3 and minus 3 and a would be 1 and c would be minus 146. And then if we calculate that, we will get 3 plus or minus square root of 593. And if we further calculate it, we will get 13.67 or minus 10.67. However, it is time, so minus 10.67 is not possible because time cannot be negative. So the values of t are 7 and 13.67. But we have exception, we have limit, which is t is greater than equals 0 and less than equal 10. So 13.67 is not in this range. So t would be only 7 and t will be 7 hours. Now let's move on to number 3, the last question. We need to write an equation for a rational function which graph has all these features. The first feature is x-intercept with of -4, y-intercept of -2, and vertical asymptote with equation is equal to 2, and horizontal asymptote with equation y equal to 1. So the rational function, for the rational function, f of x would be x plus 4 by x minus 2. Like it said, since x-intercept of -4 and y-intercept of -2, then we will get this one. And if x is equal to 0, then we will get -2. Therefore, we can say that y-intercept is -2. And if x plus 4 equals to 0, then x would be -4. So the x-intercept is -4. And the line is equal to 2 would be the vertical asymptote, and the is equal to is equal to 1 is a horizontal asymptote. This is the graph for f of x is equal to x plus 4 by x minus 2. Here, as you can see, this is the horizontal asymptote of y is equal to 1 and vertical asymptote of x is equal to 2. And then we have plotted the points for -4 and -2 here, and then we drew the graphs, and this is the answer, the graph for this indicated features, these indicated features, and this is the equation. This is the end of my assignment. Thank you for watching.